Well, hello, welcome back. Let's create this amazing particle animation in After Effects where it will actually travel along a path. A curvy path, just like this. Looks magical, isn't it? So let's start creating one. So all we have to do is to create a new composition. So click on new composition, 1080p, 60 fps, 15 seconds, and then click on OK, and then create the particle. To do this, make a black solid. Right click, new solid, make it black, and then when you're done with the black solid, search for CC particle and then drag CC particle systems 2 to the black solid, and then change the birth rate to 25, the longevity to 3, and then the radius X and radius Y to 0, and then for the physics, change the animation type to twirl. Set the velocity to 0.05, inherent velocity to -5, gravity to 0, resistance to 1. For the particle, change the type to faded sphere. And then for the birth size, 0.05, depth size to 0, and then size variation to 100, and then the max opacity to 100%, the birth color to white. Same goes for the death color, just like this. Ooh, fancy. Now let's make a path where the particle will go along. To do this, go to window, and then head over to motion sketch. This will enable you to draw how the particle will actually be animated in real time. But first, let's create a null object. Right click, new, null object, click on it, centerize it, right click, transform, center anchor point, right click, transform center in view, just like this. And then let's start creating the path. Click on start capture. Let's say if you want the particle to start appearing from here. And then you start drawing the path of the particle in circular motions, just like these. Fancy, isn't it? And then when you're done, all you have to do is to go under null, go under transform, and then go under the black solid with the particle, go to effect, CC particle systems, producer. For position, use the pick whip icon, drag it until it reaches the position, just like this. And then what's going to happen? Whoosh! Alright, the particle is now going along the path that we just created before. You can add some glowing effect to the particle. Go to black solid, and then let's say if you want to add some glow, type in glow, just like this, and then put it into the black solid, just like this. Ooh, fancy. Alright, you can increase the radius, the intensity, just like this. You can add more glow into it, just like so. Increase the radius again, and then maybe we want to reduce the intensity a bit, just like so. Add as many glowing effects as you want. Make sure that the radius is actually, huge, just like this. And then you simply, decrease the intensity so that it looks like this, pretty much. Fancy! And that, folks, is how you can animate your particles in After Effects without any plugin. It's easy, isn't it? It adds some aesthetic touch to your motion graphic works, especially. Or if you want to add some special effects into, let's say, one of your movies that has this fairy tale elements in it. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao!